Have you ever noticed when silver is going up, everyone wants to buy, but when it drops, no one touches it? In today's video, we're going to be talking about that concept and the reasons why people buy silver when the price is high, but when the price drops, they sit on the fence. Now, when silver is flying, people feel like they're missing out. Prices are high, but demand goes through the roof. Then suddenly, silver drops. It's a lot cheaper, it's a lot better value, but everyone starts sitting on the fence and no one continues to buy. Now, why does this happen? This happens because of psychology. It's called the herd mentality. People don't buy based on value, they buy based on emotion. Rising prices equals confidence. Falling prices equal fear. But if you really want to build wealth when you're stacking silver, you should be doing the exact opposite. You should be buying when it's quiet. You should be buying when people aren't interested. You should be buying when the prices are pulling back. And let's be honest, when silver gets cheaper, the buyers go quiet, but that's usually when the real opportunities lie. So next time silver drops, instead of sitting on the fence, ask yourself this: is this fear or is this an opportunity? Thanks for watching.